Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a velvet suit. First, always check the care label on your garment for specific instructions. Next, prepare your ironing surface by using a clean, padded board or a thick towel. Gather your tools, a clean spray bottle with distilled water, a pressing cloth, and a clean iron. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for your delicate velvet fabric. To protect the delicate pile, always turn your velvet suit inside out before ironing. Set your iron to a low or medium-low temperature, never high heat. Place a clean pressing cloth between the iron and the velvet to prevent direct contact. Gently press small sections, lifting and moving the iron rather than gliding it. Avoid applying harsh pressure to maintain the fabric's texture. Steaming is often the safest and most effective method for removing wrinkles from velvet. Hold your garment steamer approximately 6 to 8 inches away from the fabric. Move the steamer slowly and evenly over the velvet, allowing the warm steam to gently relax the fibers. This method helps restore the pile without crushing it. Hang the suit immediately to air dry completely. After ironing or steaming, allow your velvet suit to cool completely before handling. Use a soft velvet brush to gently restore the fabric's pile, always brushing in one consistent direction. For storage, hang your suit on a padded hanger to prevent shoulder bumps and maintain its tailored shape. Finally, store it in a breathable garment bag to protect it from dust and crushing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.